Right, morning all. Here we go. So, yeah, just wanted to... Oh, it looks like I'm blowing you a kiss. Good morning all. Kisses all round. Yeah, no, I just wanted to tell you, I've got one of my cars is going off. It's going off to DM Historics. So also known as E-Type UK, but DM Historics is clearly the classic car element of it as opposed to just the E-Type element, hence E-Type UK. Yeah, I can't wait. I'm really excited about this. I love my little car that's going into them. So I have this little Austin Healey Sprite. It's a Mark IV, so not a frog eye version or anything like that, but it's got a Cooper engine in it, so Mini Cooper engine, so it's got a bit of punch to it, or it would have if it ran often enough. Unfortunately, it doesn't. It doesn't do that. It does a job of running beautifully and being able to rag the ends out of it, and it loves it. It's just great. It's a great driving experience. It's like driving a shoe. It's tiny, very go-kart-esque. I think when people talk about, I don't know, still Yaris GR, of which I have one, talk about the driving experience of that. Well, I compare actually the two in terms of feel and emotion when you're driving them, because you're really connected. And with the Yaris, although it encourages you to thrash the nuts off it the whole time, that connection with the road and the feel and everything else is commonplace. Hang on one second. Hey, that video was interrupted by DM Historics not being able to find the house. Anyway, they're on their way. Yeah, look, I mean, I'm getting the car sorted out so it runs, because I tell you what, it is fantastic when it does. I advise anyone to go and buy a classic car. So I had the opportunity to drive a couple of E-types. So I drove a Series 1 with a fast road engine and a Series 2 as well. Series 1 cost you around about 150,000, the one that I drove. There's another one down at E-Type UK. Oh, it's 170, and do you know what? It is beautiful. If you're looking for a beautifully restored E-Type that is that'll win every show it goes to, get down there, buy it. You won't ever regret the classic car driving experience. It's awesome, but for me, probably not just yet. Series 2, well, it was a little bit coffee and farty. The fueling needed to be sorted out, but that's commonplace with when you first pick up a classic that you want to make sure is running. There's always a slight niggle, but when it hits the sweet spot, they're just superb. Again, the driving of them, it is like nothing else. It's not like any other modern car. The feel and the feedback is something else. I'll give you a full review on it when I actually get down there. But in the meantime, yeah, if you get a chance yourself, get down to E-Type UK, based in Kent, not far from Brands Hatch. Yeah, go and drive one of these cars. What if I go and buy one of these cars? Because do you know what? When I get that little Austin Healey on the road, 10 grand, and it's going to be awesome. But that Mark II Jag sits around about the 75, 80,000 pounds mark. Not Mark II Jag, Series 2 E-Type. Yeah, and again, just put a little bit of extra in it. With it being a Series 2, you can personalise it slightly without worrying too much about the heritage, because it's not a Series 1. Series 1 is like the pinnacle of getting everything right. But yeah, it's got to be done. It's got to be done. Yeah, go and part with some cash and buy some expensive classic cars. You will not regret it ever. Right, okay, so they're here. DM Classics are here. Cars on the ramp. Poor Sainsbury's delivery guy is stuck waiting, which makes a change because normally they're thrashing it around. Yes, the car's going off. It's all looking really good. I've forgotten how much I love this car. I think I'm going to throw a little bit of money at making sure she runs beautifully.